Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaC Budgets and Blogs. I'll link our shop down below, SilynthiaC Budget Creations, if you're interested in checking it out. Also, for the month of August, we did a freebie. We, meaning I collaborated with a couple of other ladies for the month of August. And Cassie J did make a savings challenge, which was a freebie all month long. She will be doing it again in the month of September. So you will see that savings challenge once she releases it in my rotation as well. So pretty excited about that. So look forward to that for the month of September if you're interested in joining along playing that freebie. Okay, what are we doing today? We are doing our Freebie Fridays envelopes, and this is the last, I believe, well, maybe not my last cash stuffing, because I think I have one coming tomorrow, maybe, possibly. But for the Freebie Fridays, for the month of August, yes, this will be the last one. And I wanted to try to get through these birthday ones, but I figure if they keep going on through the month of September, so be it. I'm not going to lose any sleep over it. I'm excited to be doing these savings challenges. So let's go ahead and count up what we have. Today we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 bucks. We have $15 today that we're working with. I'm not going to be playing the fives. I'm hoping that I'll be able to make some change. And it looks like maybe already. We'll start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then once maybe one of the other ones get enough money, then hopefully we can switch out that 5. If not, oh gosh, I think we'll be playing a spicy. Oh, no, we got ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I was gonna panic because I didn't want to play a spicy. Not today. It wasn't enough money for me to play. So I'll go over where I got the savings challenges once we finish, and I'm going to put the money into the envelope. I'm going to roll my dice. Now, what we're going to do is 1, 2, 3, 4. If I roll a 5 or a 6, doesn't count. So those of you who have been playing along, you know that I only have 4 envelopes. I'm hoping to scooch it up to 6 at some point. But right now, I enjoy the different savings challenges. And then for the month of September, I have another idea. So these may have to stay, 4 envelopes. But that's okay with me. It's working. Let's get started. 1, 5, 6, 4, 5, 4, 3. Okay, I need 2 because 2 only needs $1. 5, 6. Okay, come on. 5, 4. Come on, 2. Nope, we got a 3. 3. Okay, now we're getting close here. 1. Oh, come on. 4. 2. Okay. Okay. 1, 2. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab another savings challenge so that way I know that we are going to be adding another one. Bear with me. I'm just doing it right over here. All right, so we're going to add in this beauty here. Oh, and we are going to put $1. Oh, did I already? Okay, to 2. Okay, perfect. Got it. Now let's continue on. 2, 6, 5. Come on. 4. Okay. No more 5s or 6s. Let's get this last dollar in its place. 3. Okay, perfect. That works. So we'll put 4 here, 3, 2. All right, so we're going to start with 1. And we're adding $1, $2, $3. And let's go ahead and color our flowers in. Oh, it looks like this one's completed. I'm just grabbing my marker. Okay, it looks like it's finished here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we finished one of the birthday savings challenges, and it has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, $12. And this savings challenge was from Budgets and Chaos. I'll link her down below. And this was a freebie. So for those of you who are saying, oh, I don't have money to buy savings challenges, there are so many freebies out here, especially cute ones that will motivate you to save. But I've completed that savings challenge. Yay! All right, I'm trying to find a paper clip. I can't find one. Of course, I'm not prepared. I'll just set it here. I'll paper clip it in a moment. And so we moved on to a new savings challenge, which is getting $2. And this savings challenge is from the Nightlife, and it was a freebie as well. So what I've decided is that each letter of the word blessed is going to be $1. So let's go ahead and put this $2 here. Woohoo! So already off to a good start for this savings challenge. And I think I'm going to have to fold this one because it is... I didn't want to cut it, but I figured I could fold it. So we've got the $2 going in to the Nightlife's Savings Challenge that we're starting. Going into the month of September, we're going to be doing this one. All right, so now we have number 2, which we just needed $1. Okay, yes. So this one's completed as well. Okay, we're gonna have to snag another savings challenge. So we're adding in $1. Let's get that colored here. And this savings challenge saved me 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. $9. Yay! Go me! So this savings challenge is from the Almost Organized Owl. So like I said, cute little freebies out here. I'm going to set this one off to the side so we can work on reallocating those. But let's grab another savings challenge. And let's see, what did I have next? All right, so I had this cute little cloud savings challenge. This one's from Weekly Budgets. Not putting anything into this one today, but we'll start it next week. So that gets us going there. All right, so number 3, let's see. We're adding 1, 2, 3, 4. So that gives us a total of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one only needs $2 more. So in case you're wondering, Silynthia, why aren't you doing the roll and save? Well, I don't have a lot of money. And for me, I need the quick hits so I can reallocate these funds into my Christmas binder and then any other small goals that I have. So for me, it works to see these wins right away. Not right away in terms of like one video. Sometimes it's 2 or 3 or 4 or something like that. But these small hits, they add up pretty quickly, and then I can start working on meeting my goals. So in total, this was $1, 2, 3, 4, $5. It's not a ton of money, but it is some money, and when you add it all together, it ends up being a little bit more than I would have been able to cash up, because this is typically money that I would have spent somewhere else. All right, last envelope here. We are adding 1, 2, 3, 4, $5. And this savings challenge is from Sunflower Baddie Save. I'll link her down below if I can find her. There was a set of freebies on this one, so I thought it was super duper cute. So we'll go ahead and color in 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this one only needs 3 more to actually get a victory here. So yes, any of the ladies that I did get these savings challenges, or gentlemen, if I do find them from the gentleman, I will link them down below so that way you can at least check out their channels, see which freebies they have. Some people don't have the same ones for a long period of time. They switch them out and have new freebies. So yes, that's that. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. That's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.